Question 11. If u is equal to 2x plus 1, it will help us find 1 dx. du dx is equal to 2. So du is equal to 2 dx. We want 1 dx, so we're going to have to divide by 2. So a half du is equal to 1 dx. So if we factor out the half and take the integral of what will be du over u, we'll end up with half the natural log of u between 4 and 0. And the natural log of u will be a half times the natural log of 2x plus 1 between 4 and 0 is half the natural log. Put 4 in, we're going to get 8 plus 1, which is 9. And then minus the natural log of, put 0 in, we're just going to get 1, which is natural log of 1 is 0. So the answer here is just half the natural log of 9, which is the natural log of 9 to the power of a half, which is the natural log of the square root of 9, which is the natural log of 3. Question 12. Well, if we multiply this bottom out, if u is equal to the bottom, it's going to be 2, the difference of 2 squared is just going to be 4x squared minus 1. So du dx is equal to 8x. So du is equal to 8x dx. But we just want x, so we're going to have to take an 8 out. That's going to be equal to x dx. So we're going to end up with an 8 times the integral of x dx on top, and x dx is going to be du, or an 8 at du, we have the 8 outside, over, and the bottom will be u, we let u equal the bottom, so we have an 8 times the natural log of u. Seems to be coming up quite a lot for us, between 2 and 1, so we have a half times the natural log of 4x squared minus 1 between 2 and 1. So a half times the natural log of, put 2 in, we're going to get 4 by 4, 16 minus 1, 15, minus, putting 1 in, we're going to get 4 ones minus 1, so 4 minus 1 is the natural log of 3. So we're going to get half times the natural log of 15 over 3, which is 5, which is the natural log of 5 to the power of a half, which is the natural log of the square root of 5. And I'm just seeing that I put a half in, it should have been an 8. So let me just change it so I don't have to remake the video. So just going to get an 8, an 8, an 8. So used to doing the halves ones, so it's going to be an 8 times the natural log of 5, and actually we can leave that as our answer.